Right, when it comes to finding angles and stuff, we've talked a lot about right angled triangles. There it is. And we've kind of made the observation that if that one's theta, then that's 90 minus theta. So I'm just going to push that a little bit further, and I'm just going to talk about a triangle that hasn't got any particular sides. It's just any old triangle. I'm going to call that theta 1, theta 2, and theta 3. There you go. Three separate triangles. It's a fact that theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 equals 180 degrees. So in words, the angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees. And you'll remember 180 degrees is like a straight line. To prove that, well, it's kind of obvious in a way. I'm just going to draw my triangle here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure that when I drew it, this line here, this line on the base here, is horizontal. I've tried to align it with my grid, but I've not done very well. So if I flick over to blue now, what I'm going to do is draw another horizontal line. So I've got a line there and a line there that are horizontal. And I'm going to make the observation that this angle here, which, I'm going to go to red. That angle there is the same as that angle there. You can tell it's called Z angles if you do, Z angles if you do geometry. I'm not going to make heavy weather of this, but just notice that these two angles here are equal. And also, if I go over to green, that angle is equal to this one. That angle's equal to that one. You can tell it is because it's kind of a rotational transfer of it. And I'm going to, what colour have I got? I've got red, I've got green, I've got blue. Here we go. There's a blue angle there. So, in this triangle here, it's obvious that red plus green plus blue, red plus green plus blue equals 180 degrees. All I've done is taken this angle here and just whacked it up there, and taken this red one here and put it up there. And it's obvious that the three angles here add up to 180 degrees. So quite often you see it written as the internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, that's quite important, that, and I'll come back to that again and again and again. All right, I'm going to stop there.